Welcome to Marina's kitchen. Today I'm going to make some olive and Parmesan cheese muffins. They are so lovely. You can have them hot or cold. And I've got 50 gram here of chopped up, very chopped up fine black olives, finely chopped up. Okay. There's 50 gram of Parmesan cheese. There's 200 gram of self-raising flour, and a teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. So that in dry ingredients, this is easy to make. It's so easy. That all in dry ingredients has got to go into the bowl, and then we'll put 2 eggs, we'll put 50 gram of melted butter and half a cup of milk. So what we do is just put all the dry ingredients first, okay? And that's the cheese. There's 50 gram of beautiful Parmesan grated cheese there, which gives it a beautiful flavour. And we've got 50 gram of black olives chopped up very finely, okay? Just put all the dry ingredients in first. And we've got a teaspoon of baking powder, put that in, and a pinch of salt. Now just put all your dry ingredients first, and then we're going to add the 2 eggs. We're going to add 2 eggs, 50 gram of melted butter, and half a cup of milk. So just mix this all together, and now we can mix this all together with the red egg. That's it, the 2 eggs, and 50 gram of melted butter goes in there. Beautiful. It's a lovely muffin, lovely savoury muffins. Just mix that around. Very easy. Look, that was so easy. Now we mix up the milk. Just keep it a bit at a time and mix that all up together. They're beautiful. They're such a lovely savoury muffin, especially for these cold winter mornings. You can have it nice and hot with a bit of butter in it, and just keep on adding that milk. It's a lovely, lovely dough. Beautiful. Just so quick. Isn't that quick? Just to make some beautiful muffins, savoury muffins. There's all that olives in it, and you've got to chop those olives up nice and fine, and that cheese is through, the lovely Parmesan cheese is lovely through there. Look how beautiful that is. It's a lovely soft muffin pastry. Lovely. And I've got those 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, and that 50 gram of melted butter. That's all we need. Look, that's so simple, so quick. That's all we need from there. Just put it all together. Lovely. Doesn't take long. You could do these on a weekend, on a Sunday morning, on a morning for breakfast. Okay, now I've got my oven on for about 180, and these will have to go in about 20 to 25 minutes. Just watch them until they go nice and have a little bit of brown on the top. So I've greased a muffin tin pan, so then I'm going to put these in there all together, okay? That's all we're going to do. They are so lovely, they are a lovely savoury muffin. Just put that all together like that. You can fill them up as much as you want to. There's enough here for 12 of them. And those lovely olives, there's 3. Just chop those olives up nice and fine, very fine. Lovely black olives. There you go. I've got my oven on for 180. And just give them about 20 minutes, 25 minutes until they're lovely and brown on the top. Okay, and look, we don't even get it. Sometimes if you don't fill them up too much, you get 12 or less. You get about only 11 or 12 if you don't fill them up too much. But I might have put in a bit more on the other ones, so this will just have to do. Okay, look, I'll just take a bit out of this one here. and I'll put it in that one. Put that out on there and put it in that one. So there's 11 there, nice. This one's a big one, I might put a bit here. Okay, lovely. Now just put that in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until they're nice and brown on the top. Look, that was so quick. On a Sunday morning you want to make some lovely hot savoury muffins with the olives, and the Parmesan cheese gives that lovely flavour. And just put them in the oven like that, and until they just get lovely nicely brown. You can see when they're cooked, and you can have them with butter or you can have them by itself. So just give them a go, they're lovely. Just put all the dry ingredients in first, your wet ingredients, no beating, just mixing around. 2 eggs, a 50 gram of melted butter, half a cup of milk is only your wet things, and then just put them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, and you'll have these beautiful savoury muffins. Okay, look, that's very simple, very quick. It was a very quick recipe, very easy to make. Okay, enjoy them. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Thank you.